Every year, thousands of people gather in London to remember Ashura, one of the most important events in Islamic history. This year, I visited the procession in central London to film this special event. People of different ages walk together carrying flags and banners. Ashura remembers the sacrifice of Imam Hussain at the Battle of Karbala more than 1,300 years ago. For many people, it is a day of remembrance, respect, and unity. The atmosphere was peaceful, and many volunteers helped to organize the event and support visitors throughout the day. London is one of the most diverse cities in the world, and events like this show how different communities can come together peacefully. For me, filming Ashura in London was a remarkable experience and one that I will always remember.